It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Today, John is going to show us the process that he uses for doing what, John?
Varnishing.
Varnishing our pictures.
And it's not my idea. I saw somebody do it on the internet, and I don't know if everybody's seen it, but I tried it and it works just wonderful. And you can varnish paint, it's just 12 by 12 in probably about 15 seconds, 30 seconds at the most. Took the Liquitex varnish, mixed it 50-50 with water, distilled water.
What?
No brush. Using a sock. Old white sock. Keep it in a plastic bag when I'm not using it because it's still damp. Spread a little bit of varnish on the picture. Done.
Done. Okay.
Let it dry. It'll dry in about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. You can do it again, and it comes out just as good as doing it with a brush. No brush marks, no bubbles, no nothing.
Wow.
Have a great day. I hope whoever invented this, I'd like to give them credit, but I don't remember who it was. So.
Okay, and you'll show the dried on the video
No.
when it's done?
Yeah, I will.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
All right. So thanks for watching, guys. We hope this helped you out. John swears by it now. So thanks to whoever created this. Please subscribe to our channel and bang the bell to get notified of all new videos. Give us a thumbs up and share with all your friends. Check out our other paintings on eBay, username John Him. This is Patty and John from Couples Painting at Patricia's Art Emporium saying thank you for watching, be kind to one another, and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.